So we spoke about the initial stage. Now we are talking about the next stage where pneumonia is getting developed and what are the remedies here. This is a map where I'm talking about the first stage, second stage, third stage, and post-COVID stages. Second stage, top remedy, Calicarb. Calicarb, especially when belladonna bryonia has been already used, but it's not helping. Very anxious patient that I'm seeing. Dry cough with stitching pain in the chest. Cannot lie down, has to sit up. 2 to 3 a.m. aggravation, especially aggravated lying on painful side or left side. They are very anxious, very sweaty, lot of cough. Typically, lower lobe is more affected and left side lobes are affected. In pneumonia cases, I look at how the case is developed, which lobe is affected, which position the patient is taking, and in the end, I look at state of mind. Lot of loose expectoration, okay, involuntary urination while coughing, desire for hot food, concomitant eyes are swollen, very anxious when alone, and slightest exertion can cause a lot of breathlessness. This is Calica. Also an important remedy in today's times with pneumonia. Next remedy that comes very strong is phosphorus. This is probably the most used remedy in pneumonia that we are using. Has to be differentiated with bryonia. Bryonia, phosphorus come very close. Phosphorus, base of the lung, especially right lung, is affected. Very fast-paced disease. Reddish flush on the face. Patient feel active, then exhausted. Cough with rawness in the chest. Very important. Desire for cold drinks, cold water, juicy drinks. Bright red hemoptysis. Within 2 days, the cough has blood in it. Cannot lie on the left side. Phosphorus cannot lie on the left side. Better by lying on the right side. Cough in 2 to 3 paroxysms. And this cough is better by putting warm application. Chill begin from back, abdomen, burning heat with restlessness and thirst. That's why you might think about arsenic. And they are also very kind of little nervous but clingy people also. Desire for cold drinks may just give you phosphorus directly in the idea of pneumonia. This is phosphorus. You might also see tubercular miasm at the background. Arsenic. Arsenic also comes in a little later, actually, more than beginning. Cases of pneumonia. Comorbidities could be cardiac, renal. Cold feet could be concomitant. Dyspnea with wheezing, aggravated lying down. Right upper lobe is affected. Very important, arsenic heat stage is prominent. Dry burning heat. Wants to be uncovered during heat stage. This is important. This is how you differentiate arsenic bryonia. Very restless. Arsenic is very anxious, restless. He's just thinking, I'm going to die, I'm going to die. That's the kind of fear they have. Chill and heat keep alternating. Desire for lemonade. Warm drinks. Water tastes bitter to them. Okay. Typical keynotes of arsenic: restlessness, weakness, midnight aggravation. They have a lot of breathlessness, aggravated lying down. They'll kind of put their head high up. I think arsenic is either for very initial stages or later stages. In initial stage, you can also think about ars iode. Arsenic has to be differentiated with antimony ars, which I also use a lot. Next set of remedies in pneumonia. Ammonium carb. I've already told you a few remedies of a few cases of ammonium carb. Lot of drowsiness. Ammonium carb, kali carb, carbohydrates. So a lot of carbons here, isn't it? Typically fat people. Lot of wheezing, prolonged pneumonia. And in this type of ammon carb patient, there are clots, thrombosis, pulmonary edema happening. Lot of chills, slightest exertion aggravates. 3 to 4 a.m. aggravation. The symptoms start with nose block, mouth breathing, wheezing, rattling, fat patient, weakness, exertion. As soon as they get up, there is a lot of sneezing, coryza, and they cannot hear other people talking. So talking of other people aggravate. You'll think about nux vomica, but it is ammon carb. More right-sided, pulmonary cardiac comorbidity is very important for later stages. It is a stage before antim-tart and carboveg. You're not prescribing this remedy, very important. Lycopodium, it is especially in chronic pneumonia, neglected, unresolved pneumonia, right lower lobe, especially old people. Just right now, I prescribed few minutes back to an old man. Old people pneumonia, right lower lobe, cough, greenish thick sputum, frowning, flapping of Ala nasi like Antim tart like phosphorus. And sometimes in later stages with pneumonia, brain-related complaint, delirious stage, like stramonium, like Helleborus. Loose cough during fever, aggravated lying down, and lot of heartburn, flatulence. Very nervous, but still very positive. I have a very interesting case of COVID pneumonia from Belgaum. Very hopeful, very positive, even in that stage, and better by hot drinks. That's lycopodium. Next, we come to a very important remedy, and one of the very important remedy, antimony Rs. Use this in 1M potency. All this map is available on my website. It is available on the link below that you will be seeing very soon. Antim-Rs, catarrhal pneumonia, lot of wheezing, rattling, coated tongue, restlessness, constant thirst, RALS. Very important for old people, comorbidities of heart, weakness, restlessness like arsenic, wheezing like antimony, swelling of the face, eyes seem swollen, aggravated lying down. This is antimony Rs. Very important. Use it in 1M. And I come to one of the most important remedy that we are using, Stannum metallica. Prolonged pneumonia, extreme exhaustion. So patient is okay for 2 days. Third day, the whole body extreme exhaustion, no breathless, cannot talk. Like this, okay? Extreme exhaustion, cough may taste sweetish, saltish, aggravated lying on right side, sweat on neck, on forehead, empty sensation feeling in the chest. Patient says a lot of weakness in the chest, cough in 2 to 3 paroxysm, comorbid lung, cardiac, bone disorders, coldness of the leg. There's a lot of despair and lot of hopelessness in these cases. It is complementary to pulsatilla. So you have given pulsatilla for first 2-3 days and not helping, and then you may go to Stannum. The genius is extreme exhaustion, very important. Once the CORAD score go after 10-15, think about Stannum Met. Bromium, I have used this remedy frequently. Very interesting remedy. This hot weather, patient hot with dry cough, coming very close to bryonia with pneumonia, bromium. Less fever, more respiratory symptoms. Bromium starts with cold and cough. Coryza comes from throat, then goes to the nose. Hot patient. Base of the right lower lobe affected, like along with lycopodium, along with phosphorus, along with mercury. Very important symptom. Deep inspiration causes cough. Very important. Okay. Better by drinking water. Cough, aggravated morning, want open air, hot room, hot, cannot take. Lot of hoarseness, burning pain in the chest, better by cold drinks, coffee, rattling in the larynx, throat feels raw. Very, very, very important symptom after overheated. Top remedy. Viratrum alb. You will use this either in initial stage or later stage of pneumonia. Keynote, cold sweat on the forehead, rattling in the chest, tickling feeling in the sternum, strong mind symptom. You know, I've seen Viratrum patient directly start praying. Ram 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 ram, becomes insane, and also become very anxious and clingy like arsenic. Viratrum alb, you might miss it, but very important remedy. Last remedy for the moderate stages, sulfur, lesser known remedy. There are many more remedies. Okay, there is Grindelia, ammoniacum, so many, phosphoric acid, but you know, I can't tell you 100 remedies. I have to tell you remedies which are very important. Indicated in initial stages, especially clearing up the final lung patches in the lung. You have given one remedy, after that you might require sulfur. Redness of everything, cases not responding to other remedies, left-sided pneumonia, very offensive mouth, very thirsty, very happy, very peaceful, cheerful, even with this. Early morning diarrhea, offensive foot sweat. Many bryonia pneumonia may later on require 1 dose of sulfur, and very hot patients. I hope you got this idea about moderate to severe cases of pneumonia. These are the very important 10 remedies that I use. Now we will go to the last stage, where emergency cases, where patients are admitted in the hospital. But before that, I want you to remember these moderate to severe pneumonia cases. Study again what I told you.